Good morning, my dear students. So in last class we have already seen the electric field intensity due to a dipole in its axial position. Okay, so today we will see in equatorial position. Okay, equatorial means perpendicular. Okay, fine. It is also said as broadside position also. Remember this thing. Now first we will draw a dipole. This is our dipole. Okay, the distance of the dipole is 2L, means if we are taking this center as O, so adha L, half will be L and half will be L. Fine. Now I am taking a point P on the equatorial position, that means perpendicular position. Okay, where the intensity of electric field needs to be calculated. Okay, so we are drawing some dotted lines and joining these all points. Okay, fine. I am naming this here as, sorry, here you will take negative. Okay, it will be better if we take negative here. Okay, बाकी ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं कि यहाँ पॉजिटिव लो यहाँ नेगेटिव लो, है ना, you can take. Okay, now intensity at this point needs to be calculated. Now this is negative charge. Okay, तो यहाँ से जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा अंदर क्या हो जाएगा, it will be inwards. Fine. So direction of electric field will be like this. I am making this as dark. Okay, this is A, so I am naming it as EA. Okay, and due to this B, ये B positive है तो electric field बाहर की तरफ जाएगा. Yes, like this EB. I am naming it as EB. Now they are not in vertical and horizontal direction. Okay, and these two are vectors. Whenever vectors are not in vertical and horizontal direction, we need to resolve them. Okay, resolve, how to resolve we have already studied in 11th class. Okay, in the terms of sin theta and cos theta, है ना, means in fraction chapter you have already studied r sin theta, r cos theta, mg sin theta, r mg cos theta. In the same way we will resolve here. I am taking a resultant in between. Okay, let's name it as E. Fine. Now when we resolve this EB, okay, when we will resolve, I am taking theta here and theta here also. Okay, now and P I am writing somewhere here for our convenience. Now we first will resolve EB. Okay, so when we resolve EB, here there will be a component EB sin theta. Away from the theta component is sin theta, और theta से लगा हुआ क्या होता है EB cos theta, cos component EB cos theta. Okay, now this EA we need to resolve. Okay, तो ये नीचे की तरफ जो आएगा ये ऐसे, this will be, this is away from theta, so this will be sin component EA sin theta, and attached to the theta is cos component EA cos theta. Okay, so our diagram is complete. Okay, I am taking this distance from O to P is x. Let us suppose distance from O to P, OP is equals to x. Okay, now our diagram is complete. Fine. Now remember one thing, equal and opposite components cancel each other. Equal and opposite components cancel each other. Now see here, remember one thing, here EA is equals to EB, क्योंकि एक ही इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, एक ही डाइपोल है, तो एक ही सेम अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, सो EA is equals to EB. Okay, intensity of A is equals to intensity of B. So now see here, EA sin theta, EA sin theta, EB sin theta. Okay, EA sin theta and EB sin theta, both are equal. EA is equals to EB, sin theta is equals to sin theta, है ना, both are equal and both are opposite, so they will cancel each other. So I am rubbing it. No need of these components. Okay, you don't rub in your diagram, I am just rubbing for your convenience. Okay, this component also I have deleted. Okay, now the component left area, here you will write one line, equal and opposite components cancel each other. Therefore EA sin theta and EB sin theta will cancel each other. Okay, and vectors on the same direction will get added up. Same direction में कौन सा है? EA cos theta and EB cos theta, they will get added up. Okay, so next line, this is our question number 1. Next line you can write net electric field intensity E is equals to EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. Okay, fine. Now we know that EA is equals to EB. EA is equals to EB. So in place of this EB, I can write as EA. Why not? Yes, we can write. Now these two are same. EA cos theta, EA cos theta. 1 plus 1 is 2. So EA cos theta plus EA cos theta is 2 EA cos theta. So E is equals to 2 EA cos theta. Okay. Now we need to solve for this cos theta also. We need to get the value of cos theta. Now I am taking this triangle AOP. In triangle AOP. Okay, in triangle AOP, what we can see, this is 90 degree. Okay, and here we can see theta. Okay, ये यहाँ पे this is parallel line, these two are parallel line, तो ये theta, तो ये भी theta होगा because of alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles, ये theta, तो ये भी theta होगा. Okay, now this is theta. Okay, so what we will see now, we need to calculate for cos theta. Yes, we are doing calculation for cos theta. Cos theta, formula for cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Now base is what? Ye L. L is your base and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is this side. Okay. Now this side how can we calculate? क्योंकि इस साइड का तो लेंथ है नहीं हमारे पास. So we will calculate from Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem tells this is hypotenuse. Yes, so hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Here I am writing enough. This is hypotenuse AP is equals to hypotenuse square is equals to base square. Sorry, base square plus perpendicular square. Perpendicular is x square. L square plus x square. Now when we are taking this square to right side, it will become under root. So AP is equals to under root L square plus x square. So value of the hypotenuse is under root L square plus x square. This is the value of cos theta. Now we can put here. Okay, so this was some bit calculation. Now coming back here, E is equals to 2 into EA, intensity of electric field. Formula for intensity of electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square. Now Q upon R square means distance between these 2 points है ना, इन दोनों पॉइंट के बीच में डिस्टेंस उसका स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, यहाँ से यहाँ AP का डिस्टेंस AP इज इक्वल टू इतना, बट उसका स्क्वायर चाहिए, तो स्क्वायर ये हमारे फर्स्ट लाइन में आया था. AP स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू L स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर, है ना. यहाँ पर रूट नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पर सीधे आएगा L स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर, बिकॉज Q बाय R स्क्वायर होता है. वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ R स्क्वायर निकालेंगे तो रूट हट जाएगा. फाइन, इनटू cos थीटा. नाउ value of cos theta we have calculated. This is the value of cos theta, L upon under root L square plus x square. Okay, all are with me? ठीक है. Now E is equals to 2QL, 2 into Q into L. क्या होता है सोच के बताओ. What is 2 into Q into L? Formula for P, dipole moment P. Yes, and here we can see a normal L square plus x square and under root L square plus x square. So under root means power 1 by 2. Yes, there is a simple number this I'm considering as a, उसका power 1 into a number with root power कितना होगा, root का power 1 by 2. When bases are same, powers gets added, तो 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, it comes out to be 3 by 2. तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, a का power 3 by 2. In the same way here it will be L square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. Okay, so this is almost the end of the derivation. Now this is also one line of derivation. Now when we consider that let L is very much less than x, like the previous case of exact position, so neglecting L को हटा दो, तो it comes out to be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into p upon x square is left and power 3 by 2 is left. Okay, this 2 and 2 cancel. Okay, 2 and 2 cancel, the power left only is cube, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा cube. This is our final line. Okay, so this was the derivation for electric field intensity due to a dipole in equatorial position. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write in comment box also. Okay, so thank you.